Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. Chief Executive Officer of the Jamaica Special Economic Zone Authority, Kelly Dawn Hamilton, has confirmed participation in the upcoming April 3 Expo Jamaica event. The aim is to build wider understanding of the benefits of the Special Economic Zone. Ms. Hamilton has shared that manufacturers in the Special Economic Zone are required to pay only 7.75% to 12.5% per annum in corporate income taxes and are exempt from GCT on raw materials. Ms. Hamilton adds that investors who build out Special Economic Zones pay zero corporate income tax on rental income earned from the property. She says legislation is being finalized to get the Special Economic Zone developers to sell cheaper electricity to their clients. As the USAID program scales back on US presidential orders, the Bank of Jamaica highlighted the work of other agencies in building Jamaica's economy. Speaking recently, Bank of Jamaica Governor Richard Biles applauded multilateral institutions for their role in helping to drive Jamaica's economic achievements over the last 15 years. This included the International Monetary Fund, World Bank, Center for Latin American Monetary Studies, and the European Union. Biles also acknowledged the assistance of the Economic Commission for Latin America and the Caribbean, as well as the French Development Agency. In reports from companies listed on the Jamaican Stock Exchange, we know that Blue Power Group Limited reported a 10% increase in revenue, totaling $687.49 million for the 9 months ending January 31, 2025, which resulted in a 9-month net profit of $101.30 million. Also, Image Plus Consultants Limited has advised that the company has signed a joint venture agreement with Ripon Real Estate Limited for the building of its new 20,000 square foot head office branch location at 33 Lady Musgrave Road, Kingston 5. For the trading period ending March 14, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Media and Real Estate Holding Company Kentire Holdings Jamaica Limited with 10,964,250 units traded, representing 28.28% of market sales volume. Alternative energy provider Wigton Energy Limited with 6,115,284 units traded, representing 15.77% of market sales volume. Online education provider One-on-One Educational Services Limited with 2,945,216 units traded, representing 7.6% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rates set by the Bank of Jamaica. On March 14, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $57 million purchased and US $52.67 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.47 per dollar selling the US at $157.31 and buying the US at $155.84. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $5.56 per transaction, with selling at $110.09 and buying at $104.53. The British pound yielded Forex traders $9.37 in profits, with selling at $206.49 and buying at $197.12. For our credit report tip of the day, bankruptcy is often viewed with fear and stigma, but in reality, it's really a powerful reset tool. If you are in Jamaica and you owe more than $300,000, bankruptcy can provide a structured path for rebuilding your financial life. The bankruptcy framework is designed to help you regain stability, protect essential assets, and establish financial resilience over the next 7 years. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step forward to your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.